A 37-year-old man missing from a music festival in southern Queensland, where 2 people died, may have been drug-affected, with a local saying he also stole a pair of boots after allegedly breaking into a house. Police believed Bradley Smith left the Rabbit Seat Lettuce Festival at Elbow Valley, near Warwick, in the early hours of Sunday. He was reported missing on Tuesday night after failing to return home. Senior Sergeant Jamie Deacon said Mr. Smith was believed to be affected by drugs when he went missing. "We're quite concerned about his welfare," he said. Senior Sergeant Deacon said Mr. Smith had been linked to a break-and-enter. "We have a reported sighting at an address nearby here, which is subject to a break-and-enter, and we believe that person was involved in that," he said. A local told the ABC a note had been left at the house during the alleged break-in. The local said a pair of boots had been stolen, with the note asking for the residents to contact the person's mother so she could pay for the items. The house is estimated to be about 15 minutes drive from the festival. Police, SES, drones, and the Life Flight helicopter are all involved in the search. Police described Mr. Smith, who is from Naningo, as 175 centimeters tall with a solid build, fair complexion, dark brown hair and blue eyes. The disappearance comes after Dasaran Tarbat, 24, and Ebony Greening, 22, were found dead inside their tents at the same festival on Monday morning. Police treated the deaths as a suspected drug overdose and said a toxicology report would be completed for the coroner. The festival, which began in 2008 on the New South Wales Mid-North Coast, is described as a tribal Easter party and a place of freedom, love and dance music. The festival started on Thursday and wrapped up on Monday.